Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode equation, that is 1963, minimum number of swaps to make the string balanced, and in this we'll be given a zero index string s of even length n, and a string consists of exactly n by 2 opening brackets and n by 2 closing brackets, and a string is called balanced if and only if it is the empty string, or it can be written as a b where both a and b are balanced strings, or it can be written as c where c is a balanced string. And we may swap the brackets at any two indices any number of times, and we have to return the minimum number of swaps to make the s balance. For example, in this we are having s as an closing bracket, then a pair of opening closing which is valid, and then an opening bracket. And if we just swap the position of this closing and this opening bracket, we'll be having our answer. We'll be having a binary string, and that which is 1. In the next example, we are having the 3 closing and then 3 opening. So in this we'll need two swaps, and how we'll need two swaps is that firstly what we can do is we can swap these two. Okay, so I'll just explain it quickly. Yeah. Okay, so firstly let's consider this example only. I've written it on Accelerator already. This is the example. Now what we can do is we can consider them in the pair of 4. Okay, so let's add a breakpoint here. Okay, now let's consider this inner circle, this inner string, which is this. And for this what we can do is we can just swap this index with this index, and we'll be having a pair of valid balanced parameters. And how is that possible is I'll just show you. Like here, let's leave it here. I am swapping this with this, so here it comes here, it comes and it comes here, so automatically the string becomes balanced. And then at next step what I can do is I can swap these two, and the total number of like the minimum number of swaps needed becomes 2. Okay, so if I'll swap these two, then it will become something like this. Okay, so this is how this is my answer. And what the logic behind is, because basically for every 4 unbalanced parameters, like for every 4 which we are having this, we just need one swap to make it balanced, as you have already seen for this. Like for example here only, if I'll let's consider this as this, and so it will go from here to here, then from here to here, yeah, and it will become balanced. Okay, similarly in the next example we are having 8 unbalanced strings, so again let's consider them as a pair of 4 only. uh, okay, so let's break them down. These let's add a breakpoint over here. Then again we'll firstly we'll need one swap to make this string balanced, and then let's say we pop it off from the stack, then we'll be just left with this string, this and these two. So again we'll need just one swap to make them balanced, so the total output comes out to be 2. So basically our output will always be in the range of 4 plus 3. Okay, so basically it will be of in the range of stack size of stack dot size by plus 3 by 4. So this is will be our answer. Okay, so now let's just dive into the code. So let's have a stack of character stack, that is equal to a new stack, and now traverse in the string for ch in s dot to character array. And we'll be seeing that if we find any valid parameters in between like this, we'll be just popping out from the stack, and we'll be not keeping it in the final stack. So we'll be checking firstly that if not stack is empty, and my the topmost element is a opening bracket, and my current character is a closing bracket. In this case I'll just do a stack dot pop, and without adding any further character I'll just do a continue. Okay, and otherwise I need to push it to the stack dot push cs, and my I'll be returning my answer as return. As I already told, it would be stack dot size plus 3 by 4. Okay, now let's give it a run. Yeah, and it gets scripted. Or more simpler way of doing this could be we'll be checking that if let's just do stack dot size by 4 If it's fully divisible, mod 4 is equal to 0. In this case, I'll have to return stack.size by 4, else I'll be returning stack.size by 4 plus 1. So that was just easy way of doing the same thing. Now let's give it a run. Yeah, and it gets accepted still, but I'll be doing it in a much simpler way. You can follow this as well. So just stack dot, yeah, let's submit it. And it gets accepted as well and works totally fine. Okay, so this was for today. Thank you for watching.